Check it out, guys. It's the S116 Brushless motor camera drone, and it even has a little obstacle avoidance module on there. I don't know about all that, but yeah, it's got like a little 1080p camera on here. So let's get it out of the box and check it out. Inside the case is the drone itself. There's the camera. Now it's on a little motorized gimbal right there, but it does have the brushless motors on there, so that that is a big plus. So you got the little area for the obstacle avoidance module, which is right here. Okay, so I mean, I don't know about this thing, but yeah, it might work, might not, who knows. But anyway, here's the battery in here. That goes in here. Just slide it in like that. Turn on the power. Oh, wait a minute. Let's turn off the power. Let's turn on the power of this first. That's the button down here. You just have to bind it up by going up and down. And then you got your other stuff that's in there, the screwdriver and the charge cable and the props, that normal crap. So you got the manuals too, and that has the QR codes for the app in there. So we're going to fire the app up. Just go into your Wi-Fi settings, and it's going to say HF right there, HFA3B, whatever. It'll be the one that's not locked. Okay, so that's on there, and then you just go over to the app, and the app is right there. It's called HFUFO. So we'll fire up the app, hit start flying, which is what we want to do, and you'll see that you'll see right there the camera, right? Okay, so there it is starting the motors. I'm not going to take it off in here, but the motors sound nice and quiet, right? Wow, sounds good. So you can turn the camera around with one of the little dials on the side. Right there, now you see it's going straight. It does look a little cloudy, but I mean, I'm not sure what the deal is with that. It had a little tag over the lens, but I pulled it off. So the little dial that switch the camera around is right here. And that's for the rates. There's a little dial for the rates. Okay, so it's got 3 rates. So yeah, let's go fly this dang thing. Alrighty, we made it to the park. Thank goodness, right? And we got it. It's right here in all its glory. Okay, so I'm not so sure about this thing. Okay, that's the camera all the way down there. It goes all the way up. Okay, the level of calibration is down and out. I just want to fly it around for a minute. Wow. I don't have the obstacle avoidance module on, so that's not going to be an issue. Let's try the rates. It's got 3 speeds. Pretty snappy, actually. Wow, okay, so it flies nice, man. Wow. Alright. Let's land it up here. Okay, so I landed it, so it's not really cooperating with the stopping of the motor part. There it goes. Okay. I'm not going to try out the obstacle avoidance today. I don't have time. Now it has a takeoff button, but I just do it the manual way. Let's see what the video is going to look like. I'll just get a nice little picture of the park here, nice stable picture of the park. And we'll see what the video looks like.
know the guys that cut the grass over here, and they know I'm the best ball finder in the park.
Okay, so I have lost the video signal.
How far can you fly that?
Well, this is just a toy. It doesn't go that far. So the app crashed. So let's start the app back again. Okay, well, that's the way it goes. But I will say it does fly good. Let's check the Wi-Fi. Okay, so it says not connected. HF. Let's go connected back up again. Unable to join network. Okay, so I guess we're just flying it without it until the battery runs out, because that'll be running out soon enough. Okay, so you know the Wi-Fi is a little suspect, right? I'll have to come back and give this one another shot, right? But at least it flies good. Very stable. It's just that the Wi-Fi and the video's a little shaky, that's all. Alright, let's land it up again. Guess you just got to tip it upside down to turn it off. Alright guys, there it is. The legend. Okay, there it is. Actually, it flew pretty good. Except it's cheap. You know, it's not an expensive product. It's a cheap deal, and the Wi-Fi signal crapped out. So what are you going to do, right? Okay guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.